In this video, I'll show you how to buy crypto on the Robinhood app. First, open the Robinhood app and make sure your account is fully set up for crypto trading. Robinhood says crypto trading is available through Robinhood Crypto, and you may need to complete identity and security verification before you can place an order. Robinhood also uses extra account protection like two-factor authentication and device verification when you sign in or make certain account changes. Next, add money to your account if needed. Robinhood says crypto is non-marginable, which means you need enough available buying power in cash before placing a crypto buy order. After that, use the search bar to find the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Then open its detail page and tap Buy. Robinhood says crypto orders can be placed using different order types, including market orders and limit orders. For most beginners, a market order is the simplest option because it buys at the current available market price. Now enter the dollar amount you want to invest, review the order details, and submit the trade. Robinhood says you can start with as little as $1 in crypto, which makes it easy to begin with a smaller amount. Once the order goes through, your crypto will appear in your Robinhood account. You can then hold it, track the price, or later transfer supported crypto using Robinhood's crypto transfer features if your account is eligible. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.